Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let us see question number 15, 2020. So we have two curves, x equal to y square, xy equal to k. We have to show that these two curves intersect each other at right angles if the condition is a square equal to 1. So solution, we have two curves. Just name it, say x equal to y square is the first curve and xy equal to is my second curve. Now what does it mean by the curves cut or intersect at right angles? Show that these two curves 1 and 2 cut at right angles, it is enough to show that the slope of the tangent drawn at the point of intersection of both the curves are at right angles. What I mean is that first let us find the slope of this one. So differentiating this with respect to x, I get 1 equal to y dx. This will be differentiating with respect to x, I get y plus x dy dx equal to 0 since t is constant. From here I get the value of dy dx 1 by 2y. From here I get the value of dy dx minus y by x. So let us name as m1. This is the slope of the tangent of the first curve. Just name it as m2 as y by x. This is m2 is nothing but the slope of the tangent at any point of the curve 2. Now we have to show that in order to show that these two curves cut at right angles, show that the slopes, these two slopes tangents are at right angles. That means I have to show that it is enough to prove that. Now to prove m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, if I can show this, then I can say that these two curves cut at right angles. So next, now we have to find the value of the slopes at the point where these two curves intersect each other. So in order to find the point of intersection of 1 and 2, let us solve these two equations. Now 2, I have xy equal to a. If I square both the sides, I will get x square y square equal to square. From here, y square equal to x, I will get x cube equal to square. How? Using equation number 1, that y square equal to x, I get this. Next, here we have the condition that 8k square is equal to 1. So my k square will be 1 by 8 square. How? Since 8 square is equal to, here I can say that my x is by, now 1 f x equal to y square, x equal to y square. Since x is half, say y equal to plus minus of root over x. That means this is plus minus of y. From here I can say that two curves intersect at point, so I can say this half plus minus 1 by root 2 is the point of intersection. It's a point of intersection of 1 and of curves 1 and 2. Now let's find the value of m1 m2 at this point. So this is nothing but 2 points. Let's find the plus 1 by root 2. It's 1 by root 2. My m1 was 1 by 2y. So 1 by 2y, so this will be y. So in place of y, if I put 1 by root 2, this will be times 1 by root 2. This will be simply y y by x. It's y by x. So if I put the value of y and x here, this will be b 2 by, and this is my here. What will be my m? If I do the product of this, I get. Similarly, I check at the point of this, I get m1 1 by 2y, but everything will be same. I'll get minus by m2 here. It's 1, so everything same. Get here simply positive. Therefore, will be this one here also. That means I have shown that the point of intersection, I have 2 points where the curves here. At this point, curves 1 and 2 intersect. This point also the curves 1 and 2 intersect. Both the intersecting points, I have shown that product of their slopes, tangents, is this one, also this one. That means I can conclude that. And how this is happening? Is happening because we have used the condition 8k square equal to 1 that is given in the question. Hence I can say that the curves are at right angles. Therefore, curves are at right. Thanks for watching.